Welcome to Herbal Snippets. I'm Rosalee de la Forêt, here to share quick, practical insights about herbs. I'm also the founder of Herbs with Rosalee, an herbal school, community, and podcast where we celebrate the art of herbalism together. Want to learn more? Visit herbswithrosalee.com or check out the link in the description to join our free herbal community. Now, let's dive into today's Herbal Snippet.
Nettle is commonly used to decrease seasonal allergic responses, such as hay fever. While the exact mechanism of how this works isn't known, some hypothesize that nettle's natural histamine content may downregulate the allergic response. An in vitro study in 2009 concluded that nettle affects key receptors and enzymes associated with allergic rhinitis. Nettle has also been shown to decrease inflammatory markers such as C-reactive protein, which could also play a role in relieving seasonal allergies. In addition, the astringent and drying action of nettle may contribute to reducing a runny nose and overly watery eyes. I've often recommended nettle for people with seasonal allergies, but I found that the preparation used, the dosage, and duration are all really important to consider for getting the best results. In other words, when working with nettle, it's not as simple as popping back a few pills, but the upside is that the results are often more healing in the long term.
Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.